Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video, we're going to learn how to use this Google Calendar app, but this is going to be the part one. Only we're going to create tasks. And to open this app, we need to sign in with our Google account. Then we need to click here and click on Calendar. Now that you open here, you can switch between tasks and the calendar. So first we are going to learn the tasks in this video. So here we have the tasks. You can see I can just click here to delete the list. Let's delete that. We're going to add a new one. So in your left we have all tasks, we have the start, and we have the list. You can click on my task or create a new list. So it is my task, so there is no tasks that's going to show you. Now we are going to click on create, and here I'm going to give it a name like DHK project, and you can give it a name. After a name, I can give it a date from here like 25. You can give it a time, and you can include all day. If you don't want to give it a time, we're going to include all day. This is going to be a task of the project, and here I can select does not repeat, daily, weekly on Sunday, monthly on day 23, annually on March 23, or custom. So it's going to be the weekly or monthly. Let's try to go with the monthly. So here I can give it a description. Meeting is going to be my tasks that I need to do inside the project, and here I can give it my task, and if there is any list you can select. So I'm going to click on save. So here we have this project DHK, and I can just click to complete this, and it is completed when it's going to complete. But if it is marked uncompleted, so it is uncompleted meeting today, and I can just click here to delete this. And if I select this, it's going to be completed. And I can also click on as to start if I want to. So you can add a new one if you want to add. Simple, you can just click here to sort it. You can rename, you can delete the list. Let's create a new list, and we're going to DHK done. So we have DHK. Under that we can add more tasks, and here you have this task which you're going to click, it is completed. And for this one, if I click add tasks, it's going to ask me what is. We are going to buy new laptops, and it's going to be tomorrow. And here you can give it details. Is going to be Mac laptops. And if I click here, you can add to start, you can add a subtasks. Here I can just click meet the shop at First Street. So it's also going to be not tomorrow, but yeah, tomorrow it's good because tomorrow we are going to buy and we're going to meet the shop. So under that we can add the tasks, and I can just click on add to start. So this is how we can create our own project, and under that we can add more tasks, and under that tasks we can create a subtask. And here I can just click to add a tasks, and you can delete, and you can see my task. And here we have the new list. You can click on new list if you want to. So we're going to create another list like maybe WHV, and click on done. So we have this list, and you can see we have this one. So we just added all the tasks to this list. So here, from here, I can see all my lists. I can uncheck the box if I don't want to see that list right here. Maybe I want to delete this one. Simple, you can just click here. Also, I can just drag and drop just like that. And I can click here to delete the list. You can rename list, you can move it to first position just like this, and you can per your list and delete all completed task. If you completed the task right here just like this, you can delete all completed tasks, and you can clean up old tasks as well if there is. So this is how we can use the tasks with the calendar. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.